Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. All praises go to the Most High. Yah, thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day. Okay, y'all, so welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, for those of you who don't know me, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a beautiful pair of shabby chic earrings using some recyclable denims. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So here are the items that you will need for this here tutorial, okay? You're gonna need some denim, some recyclable denim. Whatever denim jeans that you have, that's what you wanna be going for, okay? Now, you're gonna need 2 fish hooks. You're gonna need 2 pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and my aluminum wire is pretty long. You can cut it about 12 inches, okay? About 12 inches will be sufficient. You're gonna need some scissors, your wire cutters, and your round nose pliers, okay? So let's go ahead and get this ball rolling. Okay, so these earrings are going to be really quick and easy. These are some fun earrings to make, y'all. These are diva earrings. These earrings are earrings that a statement. It's a statement earring. Yes, I said it. A statement earring. This is for those of you, and if y'all decide to make these two, and I forgot to mention, you will need your handy dandy glue gun too. I forgot to mention that, y'all, so please excuse that. But you will need your glue gun. I'm plugging it up now because I forgot to plug it up. But anyway, so basically, you're going to take your scissors, and I'm going to show y'all how I do this. Let me bring this up just a tad bit because I need to make sure I have more than enough room. Okay, so you're going to take your scissors, right? And I'm going to show y'all how to do this. Now, most people, what they do when they make when they cut their denim, they just cut it straight down. We're not going to do that. We're gonna rip it. Okay, the look that I am going to show y'all today is going to be like a how should I say this? Like a shabby chic look. I'm gonna put it like that, like a shabby chic look. And what you're going to do is you're going to come and you're going to take, okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors, right? And you're going to come here and you're going to cut just like that, all right? Now when you cut this, then you're going to take and just rip it just like that. You just want to rip it. And when you rip it, what you're doing is, you see how that is? You're creating a different look with your denim, okay? And you're going to cut about, I think I got about 8 pieces. So you're going to cut about 8 pieces. I just want to show y'all a few more times so that when you do it yourself, you'll know what you're looking for. See that? Okay. And you can do this with any denim that you decide that you want to have. So we're going to need 8 pieces of these, okay? So it's 8 pieces that we're going to be ripping. All right, and this is here. Let me show you. Once you get these together, you see that look? It's a shabby chic. It's going to give it a shabby chic look, okay? So I have already taken the liberty and I have already cut out my 8 pieces, all right? So I'm just gonna move this off to the side. All 8 pieces. And this changes the game when it comes to making these earrings, okay? This changes the game. I haven't seen anything like this. I've seen people cut them like straight, cut them straight, but when you rip it, it gives it a shabby chic look, okay? So the next thing we want to do is you're going to take all of these together. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3. You want to add all of these. You're going to put all of these together. 4, just like this. See, just like right on top of each other. 5, 6. Oh, that's broke. 6. So I have 6, 7. Some of these pieces are too. I'm gonna have to cut some of these because some of them are too long. So this is 7, and then one more makes 8. Okay, so you can already see how this is going to look. And the thing about these earrings, you can make these as long or as short as you see fit. Okay, so I'm trying to get all of these together. Move that to the side. And what you're going to do next is, I'll cut this later, but I want to gather it first. You're going to take your wire. Now, this is 12 gauge aluminum wire, okay? You're going to take your wire, and you're going to bring this together like this. And you're going to bring a piece just like this to the front. Bring it down. And then you're going to wrap all of these together just like that. Okay? You're going to come back over again. And when you every time you come over, you want to try to wrap all of this together. Okay? Get it as close and as tight as you can. Just like this. See? And you're going to wrap this 6 times. So we have, this is number 3. And this is 4. Okay. And take it all the way around. That's 5. And then we're going to come here, and that's going to make 6. Now, what we had, we still got a whole bunch of, see how this look? So this is pretty much what your earring is looking like. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors, and you're going to come here, and you're going to cut all that off just like that. Yep. Just like that. Okay. And you want to come over here and snip that. Okay, let me bring it this way, and then you can come here and snip anything extra, just snip it off, okay? Now, once we do that, we're going to take our hot glue gun, and you're going to put some glue up at the top of that tip, okay? All right, so let's do that. Okay, so basically, what you want to do is you want to just come here, and you want to hit it with some glue, just like this. You just want to go in there like that. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to continue to wrap this. That's going to dry, so don't worry about it. But you're going to start wrapping this. And as you are wrapping this, okay, you're going to start going in a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more with your wrap. Okay, and I hope you see what I'm doing here. I hope y'all can see the adjustment. You see it getting smaller. And you just go in. Every time you make that loop, that circle, you go in smaller and smaller with it. Okay. Smaller and smaller. See that? And then, because you see the hole is closing. See the hole closing? And then you just keep going in like that. All right, and that's it right there. That is it right there. And I'm going to go around just a little bit more. just like this. And when I get here, I'm gonna snip this off like that. And then I'm gonna take my loop and I'm gonna bring it over just like this and tuck it down in that hole. All right, and that's what you're gonna have. This is what it's gonna look like. Now this is gonna be the front of your earring, all right? Because what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take and you're gonna come here and you're gonna just make a loop just like this with this wire, okay? And you're gonna squeeze that just like that. And that's what you're gonna have. Now I am gonna make this a little smaller. So I'm gonna snip that off so I can make it a little, just bring it in a little, yeah, just like that. So that's that, okay? And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add on my fish hook, and you got yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. How about that? And what I want to say about these earrings, y'all, is that these earrings are very lightweight. Now, I got to do some cutting, okay? Because I got a lot of little strings and all that stuff. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it over here with, I'm going to bring these two together, okay? And I'm just going to bring them together and cut just like this. Okay. All right, and now they are the same size. And these are long and they are different. And you have, these are shabby, and I'm gonna call these are shabby chic earrings, okay? I still need to make this a little smaller because that one, now, there you go. All right, so here you have your shabby chic earrings. And that's it, y'all. And that's it. Once you change the way you instead of you cutting the denim, cutting it all the way down, you rip it. Every time you rip it, it's going to give it this type of effect. Okay, if you cut it, it's just going to give you a straight cut. But when you rip it, you see how that is? That's what you're going to get every single solitary time. And this is awesome right here. All right. So with that being said, please make sure that you thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation. Share my videos out, y'all, to people. Share it on your social media platforms. Share it with as many people as possible. Let everybody know what's going on here at La Georgia Creation Designs. All right. So with that being said, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.